Guys, it's GoPro. One of my biggest fans, he just sent me the GoPro. He want me to improve my video quality. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, yeah. That's GoPro. Okay. There you go, guys. It's a GoPro Hero 8 Black. It's the latest version. They just launched 9, but it's still, for me, it's the latest version. Because I can offer them. Okay, here you go. Oh, they do send us scan discs. Wow. Great. Oh, ooh. Is this something for free? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's see. Oh. Damn. Okay, can you see these guys? One of my biggest fans, he just sent it. Please, you can do the same. I'll keep posting my address up there. You can send me the same shit. I'm okay with it. Okay, here you go. Let's check it out. Ooh, check it out. Ooh, damn. What the heck is this? Do I have to read all of these? Oh, okay, I got you. Alright, I need something special from here. Okay, let's see what I need. Let's see the charger first, so that I can show you.
The charger should be inside there, right?
Inside? No,
inside the
oh, inside this packet? Okay. Yeah, let's open this one. I'm loving it. Oh, it's always good to get something for free. Yeah. Damn, how to open this? Okay, from here. From here you have to open it so that you don't ruin the boxes. Okay, here you go. There you go. Damn! So, oh, okay, you have to take this out too. How you do this? Okay, from here. Warranty. This is another one. This user manual. We don't need that one because we've been using here the GoPro from many years. Yeah, so we are kind of expert on this one. Whoa, okay. They sent us extra battery. I asked them to send extra battery this time. Oh, all right. Got it. There's no more. Okay, how to open this one now?
Type C?
It looks like it. Damn, bro, don't do that. Let's know how to open. Okay. Oh, you have to check all the way if there is something stuck inside or not. Okay. It looks like there's this
stuck together.
I'm doing it down too. This looks like something very special. Okay, let's read the manual now. I thought we've been using GoPro for many years. But this one is a new one, so we need to check user manual how to open this. So don't be over smart, guys. When you get the GoPro like this for free, you have to always check user manual. Please, yeah, let them see our YouTube room.
That's the Alienware.
Yeah, that's the Alienware.
We'll be unboxing that too today.
Yeah, not today. After exam.
After final. Okay.